This video is made only for educational purposes. No stock ETF should be bought without advice from your investment advisor. Bajaj Consumer Care Limited. Bajaj Consumer Care Limited is a part of the Shishir Bajaj Group, one of India's leading producers of hair oil. It is the third largest producer of hair oils in the country and leader in the light hair oil category with a value market share of 7.2% and value market share of up to 9.8% as of Feb 21. The company's flagship brand Bajaj Almond Drops Hair Oil is the leader in the LHO category and it commands one of the highest per unit prices in the industry and accounts for 90% total revenue. With the No Marks acquisition in 2013, Bajaj forayed into the anti-marks category. On a company level, the brand has shown an impressive growth of 14% on an annual basis. The market share of the brand in the anti-marks category segment is at 8.6%. The company's distribution network has been its major strength. Its products are distributed through a network of more than 4.1 million retail outlets in the country. The company has managed to maintain a high return on equity and return on capital employed of 39% and 48% respectively over the last 5 years. Additionally, Bajaj Consumer Care is a debt-free company. Its share is currently trading at a valuation of 14.2 multiple PE multiple as against industry PE multiple of 74 times. Current market price is 203 rupees. It's an attractive bet. Heidelberg Cement India Limited. Heidelberg Cement, earlier known as Mysore Cement Limited, was set up by the SK Birla Group in 1958. HCIL is now a subsidiary of Cementrum BV, which is 100% controlled by Heidelberg Cement AG. After taking over the controlling stake from Birlas in 2006, Heidelberg Group's capabilities and global experience in the cement business played out as a turnaround story for the company. The company's capacity utilization in FY21 stood at 72%, which was at par with established cement companies. On the financial front, the company has reported a top-line CAGR growth of 4% in the last 3 years. Its bottom line has grown at a CAGR of 33% in the last 3 years on the back of cost-efficient techniques. Apart from this, the company has a good dividend track record and has consistently declared dividends for the last 5 years. In FY21, its dividend yield was at 3%. The company shares quote at a reasonable PE multiple of 15.4 times. Current market price is 227 rupees. It is an attractive bet. Please subscribe our channel, give a like, leave a comment, share